Hello, everyone. I'm Doctor. What if I revealed that a simple spice, probably gathering dust in your kitchen cabinet, outperforms many pricey kidney supplements available today? This isn't mere marketing hype. The latest scientific research validates the remarkable effectiveness of these natural ingredients in enhancing your health. Your kidneys are extraordinary biological powerhouses, filtering an impressive 130 to 160 quarts of blood daily to create urine. After reaching the age of 60, the filtration process in your kidneys naturally declines by about 20%, indicating that they are not functioning as robustly as they once did in your younger years. Great news! Your body has a natural repair mechanism that kicks in every night while you sleep. This is the time when your kidneys engage in their most thorough cleaning and restoration activities. Curious about how you can enhance that process? Discover 5 everyday kitchen spices that can truly elevate your overnight recovery game. We will evaluate these spices according to their remarkable ability to boost kidney filtration while you sleep. While they may not be miracle solutions, they truly revolutionize the functioning of your organs. Certain ingredients target internal inflammation, while others enhance blood circulation to your tiny filtering units. Additionally, some serve as natural diuretics, ensuring your kidneys don't face undue strain. This list is thoughtfully arranged, guiding you from essential foundational support to the most powerful option at your disposal. Before we dive in, I'm curious to know where you're tuning in from and what time it is on your end right now. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. Every little moment from your day holds great significance here. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on the next thoughtful tip crafted just for you. Let's kick things off with the one spice that almost everyone has right in their kitchen right now. Taking the top position is parsley, which may come as a surprise since many view it merely as a decorative touch on their plates. This herb stands out as one of the most potent options for kidney health, surpassing every other spice we've discussed today. Parsley stands out due to its unique volatile oil, apiol, known for its powerful natural diuretic properties that assist your body in eliminating excess fluids. It boosts your urine output significantly quicker than dandelion or ginger, but this is where it truly gets intriguing. As it aids in flushing your system, parsley simultaneously targets and reduces kidney inflammation. This signifies a direct enhancement in filtration while simultaneously alleviating stress on the organ, a unique combination that no other spice on this list manages quite as effectively. For optimal results, the dosage is simple, and I've discovered that fresh parsley tea tends to be the most effective choice. Simply take a quarter cup of fresh leaves, steep them in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, and savor 1 or 2 cups throughout your day. If fresh parsley isn't available, a teaspoon of dried powder or a liquid tincture can serve as alternatives, but nothing compares to the potency of fresh leaves. Timing is crucial when it comes to this herb. Be sure to enjoy your parsley in the morning or early afternoon, as its potent diuretic properties make it less suitable for late-night consumption. Expect a notable increase in your bathroom visits, and taking it before bedtime could disrupt your sleep quality. To ensure your kidneys perform their optimal repair work during sleep, it's essential to avoid waking up every hour for bathroom trips. Before you dive into using parsley as a supplement, there are several important safety considerations to keep in mind. If you're pregnant or planning to conceive, it's crucial to steer clear of parsley altogether, as the APL it contains may lead to a miscarriage. This rule is essential for ensuring both your safety and the well-being of your baby. Additionally, since parsley is rich in vitamin K, it may interact with blood-thinning medications such as warfarin. Therefore, it's important to consult your doctor if you are taking these medications. Some individuals may observe an increased sensitivity of their skin to sunlight, a rare side effect known as photosensitivity. It's important to monitor this condition closely. Exercise caution if you're currently using water pills or other diuretics, as parsley may amplify their effects beyond what you expect. If you have a history of kidney stones, it's best to avoid parsley as it may elevate urinary oxalates, potentially exacerbating the condition. Research indicates that parsley is remarkably effective and has a long history of use in promoting kidney health. Recent scientific findings reveal that the apiol in parsley enhances glomerular filtration, with studies indicating its potential to lower protein levels in urine, a significant indicator of kidney stress. A drop in protein levels signals that your kidneys are now filtering more effectively than ever before. What sets parsley apart is its remarkable speed. Most individuals experience tangible results in merely 2 to 3 weeks. This is the most straightforward and rapid support you can provide for your kidneys, securing its position as our top choice. Imagine discovering that a humble root, currently residing in your kitchen, is the most effective option for a genuine kidney flush on this entire list. Ginger serves as a unique overnight filtration enhancer, setting itself apart from the other spices we've explored up to this point. At the heart of it all are two powerful compounds, gingerol and shogaol, the dynamic duo that takes charge of your renal system's well-being. Consuming ginger enhances renal blood flow, ensuring that more blood reaches your kidneys for effective processing and cleansing. With increased blood flow throughout your system, your body becomes more efficient at eliminating waste than ever before. Ginger does more than simply circulate blood. It enhances your glomerular filtration rate, a term that refers to how quickly your kidneys filter your blood. This is commonly referred to as your GFR. When this number increases, it indicates that your body is efficiently filtering out toxins with greater ease. Additionally, ginger works to lower inflammatory markers directly within the kidney tissue, providing you with a powerful trio of advantages. Experience improved blood flow, quicker filtration, and reduced inflammation all at once. This is precisely why ginger claims the number 2 position on our list. Achieving the right dosage is straightforward. Just 1 to 2 grams of fresh ginger daily can lead to noticeable results. Brewing a soothing cup of ginger tea is a breeze, or you can enhance your dishes by grating fresh ginger root right into them. However, if you value convenience, consider opting for a standardized extract in capsule form. Look for a product that features 4 to 8% gingerols to guarantee you're receiving a significant amount of that essential ingredient. The timing of your intake is what truly impacts your health. For optimal recovery, I suggest enjoying your ginger tea 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. This timing is essential. Your kidneys engage in their most profound repair processes during sleep, utilizing this natural period for detoxification and healing in your body. Taking ginger in the evening allows you to maximize that crucial time, providing your kidneys with the essential support they require when they are at their peak performance. Studies support this finding, demonstrating that ginger not only boosts urine output, but also lowers the levels of a waste product known as creatinine. A decrease in your creatinine levels signals that your kidneys are operating more efficiently than ever. Animal studies indicate enhanced kidney perfusion, while human trials reveal that individuals consuming ginger daily experience significant improvements in kidney function in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. It's important to address safety briefly, as ginger shares some interactions with garlic and turmeric. Before incorporating ginger into your daily routine, it's essential to consult your doctor if you're currently using blood thinners such as warfarin or aspirin. For those who may encounter heartburn, particularly if you have acid reflux, it's wise to begin with a small portion to gauge your stomach's response. It's important to note that ginger has the potential to lower your blood pressure, which could lead to dizziness if you're currently on blood pressure medication. It's important to exercise the same level of caution with diabetes medications, as ginger may occasionally reduce your blood sugar levels excessively when taken alongside these prescriptions. For those not taking specific medications, ginger is completely safe for everyday use. Just keep in mind that consistency is essential for achieving results. Patience is key. Expect to see results in about a month of consistent use. While overnight miracles are unrealistic, your kidneys will genuinely appreciate your commitment. Next, we dive into the standout contenders, featuring one that is currently under investigation by hospitals. Turmeric stands out as a remarkable anti-inflammatory agent, effectively addressing the underlying factors contributing to kidney damage. Garlic targets blood pressure, dandelion aids in flushing, and turmeric tackles chronic inflammation, the primary culprit behind the gradual decline in kidney health. Discover the power of curcumin, a remarkable compound that effectively inhibits an inflammation pathway within your kidney cells, known as NFKB. By blocking that specific pathway, you effectively halt the spread of inflammation through your kidney tissue, preventing any additional damage. The advantages extend far beyond merely alleviating swelling. Chronic kidney disease frequently deteriorates as the tissue undergoes scarring, known as fibrosis. However, research indicates that curcumin can significantly diminish this scarring. It aids your kidneys in repairing damaged tissue rather than merely creating scar tissue, which is why turmeric stands out as a far more effective option than supplements that merely mask your symptoms. This ingredient effectively disrupts the cycle that harms your kidneys at a cellular level, addressing the issue right at its source. For optimal results, aim for a daily intake of 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of curcumin. Opt for a standardized extract instead of relying solely on raw turmeric powder from the spice aisle, as your body struggles to absorb raw turmeric effectively on its own. Don't forget to add black pepper to your mix. It features a compound known as piperine, which can boost curcumin absorption by an impressive 2,000%. That's no exaggeration. It significantly impacts the amount of medicine that effectively reaches your kidneys. One effortless method to achieve this is by preparing golden milk, a delightful blend of turmeric, milk, and a hint of black pepper. By pairing turmeric with a touch of fat and pepper, you enhance its absorption, ensuring that your body can effectively utilize its benefits instead of letting most of it go to waste. To maximize the benefits of turmeric, pair it with meals that include healthy fats such as coconut oil or ghee, much like you would with garlic. Taking a dose in the evening is an excellent choice as it aids your body in its natural overnight repair process. Prior to beginning, it's essential to be aware of some important safety information. Turmeric serves as a natural blood thinner, so it's essential to consult your doctor if you are currently on warfarin or aspirin. To avoid any potential discomfort, it's advisable to begin with a smaller dosage and gradually increase it over time. For those susceptible to gallstones, it's essential to exercise caution with high doses. Additionally, individuals on diabetes medication should keep a close eye on their blood sugar levels. For individuals over 60, turmeric stands out as a remarkably safe and effective option for safeguarding their health. Numerous clinical trials have demonstrated that curcumin has the potential to slow the decline of your GFR, the metric used by doctors to assess the efficiency of your kidneys in filtering. Turmeric secures the third position on our list as it is backed by peer-reviewed studies demonstrating its effectiveness in slowing the progression of kidney disease and reducing proteinuria, the protein leakage we discussed earlier. This next ingredient specifically focuses on enhancing kidney filtration, delivering precisely what your kidneys require for optimal performance. Let's delve into the world of herbal allies, where dandelion often goes unnoticed, yet it holds remarkable benefits for kidney health. While you may view dandelion as just another stubborn weed in your yard, it's actually one of the finest natural supports for kidney health on the market today. This plant is highly effective because its root functions as a gentle diuretic, enhancing urine flow and allowing waste to be eliminated from your system more quickly. The distinction between dandelion and the potent pharmaceutical diuretics available at your local pharmacy is significant. Unlike those harsh medications that push your kidneys to their limits and deplete essential potassium, dandelion offers a gentle alternative, enhancing flow without the added stress. This plant is a natural powerhouse rich in potassium, which helps restore what your body loses through urination. It not only cleanses your kidneys, but also nourishes them, making it a dual-action remedy for kidney health. Finding the perfect dosage is easy, and for most individuals, enjoying 1 to 2 cups of dandelion tea each day proves to be highly effective. For optimal results, consider taking a tincture at a dosage of 1 teaspoon 2 to 3 times daily. Just ensure you're using the root instead of the leaf to achieve the most potent effect. Timing is crucial, so it's best to take your dandelion in the morning or early afternoon to minimize those nighttime bathroom trips. Taking it too late can lead to frequent awakenings, interrupting the deep sleep essential for your kidneys to effectively repair themselves. Before diving into this routine, there are a few important factors to consider. If you're dealing with gallstones or a bile duct obstruction, it's best to steer clear of dandelion, as it may exacerbate those issues considerably. Before using this, it's essential to consult your doctor, especially if you're managing diabetes, as it may interact with your medications and lower your blood sugar excessively. Individuals with ragweed allergies may find that they also have reactions to dandelion, as both belong to the same plant family. If you don't encounter any of those concerns, dandelion is completely safe for everyday use and has been a cornerstone of traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Contemporary studies validate these time-honored methods, demonstrating that dandelion enhances urinary output while avoiding harmful electrolyte depletion. You're effectively eliminating waste while preserving your kidney function. Dandelion holds the fourth spot on our list due to its gentle approach compared to the ingredients that follow. For noticeable results, consistency is key. Expect to use it for about 4 to 6 weeks. Garlic is your go-to spice, offering an easy and effective way to kickstart your journey towards better kidney health. To grasp the effectiveness, we must delve into a compound known as allicin, which is produced exclusively when raw garlic cloves are crushed or chewed. Allicin serves as a potent ally in combating oxidative stress within your kidney tissue. Imagine oxidative stress as rust on metal, slowly eroding your cells from the inside out. Garlic not only prevents rust from forming initially, but its advantages extend further, as high blood pressure poses a significant risk to your long-term kidney health. High pressure can harm the glomeruli, the small filtering units that cleanse your blood. However, garlic offers a natural solution to reduce that pressure, allowing your kidneys to work more efficiently without excessive strain. Many individuals discover that incorporating 1 to 2 raw cloves into their daily routine is highly effective. Or alternatively, they can opt for 600 to 200 milligrams of aged garlic extract if they lean towards supplements. Although cooked garlic may diminish in potency, it continues to offer significant advantages for your body. However, the timing of your consumption is what really makes a difference. For optimal results, it's best to consume garlic with your meals instead of on an empty stomach to prevent any digestive issues. Taking it in the evening can be especially beneficial for managing your blood pressure during the night. It's essential to remember this crucial safety detail. Always consult your physician before proceeding if you're currently taking blood thinners such as warfarin or aspirin. While garlic has blood-thinning properties that may lead to complications when combined with certain substances, it remains a safe and effective option for daily use for most individuals. Research shows that garlic can effectively reduce proteinuria, the medical term for protein leaking into urine. When this leakage ceases, it clearly indicates that your kidneys are filtering more efficiently. Garlic serves as just the introduction to our lineup, and it's with this next spice that the true anti-inflammatory benefits start to unfold. You've gathered all 5 ingredients, and now the fun begins. The true strength lies in the consistent use of these natural remedies over time, as your kidneys require more than just a night to heal. Gradually incorporating these habits allows you to sidestep any potential side effects, ensuring your body has ample time to adapt. Consulting your doctor beforehand is advisable, particularly if you're on blood thinners or diabetes medication. If this video resonated with you or sparked reflections on your own journey, I would genuinely appreciate hearing your thoughts. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and share it with a friend or loved one who could use a little comfort too. We appreciate your viewership.